Hi everybody. I hope everybody is having a great Christmas so far. I know I am, actually, this that I have on my wrist was actually from today. I opened the gifts at my house. We still have my Grammys to go, but I opened this here and my mom assembled it. It was a few charms that came separately and the bracelet part. But anyway, and these new pajamas are, I just got them from Santa and they're so comfy. I love them. And they're also crop topped. But anyway, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. This has been on my list that I've been wanting to do for so long. I know I did it in a short with my friend Elena with this Five Below slime that I still have. I still play with it. But I was like, no, I really want to do like a video and unbox something huge. So I thought, I have mini brands right now. I opened my toy mini brands already. I'm sorry. But I have the food mini brands. I got toys and food. And I'm just really excited. Let's get unboxing this. Well, first I need scissors. So give me 2 seconds. Pink scissors. I know that's not how you cut it, but I'm just so excited. Okay. Peel this up first. I got so many good gifts. I even got a smart TV. So that TV is not the TV. It's bigger. It's a huge smart TV. I'm super excited. And also, I hope everybody was treated very nicely by Santa Claus. I bet you all, or I hope you all got really good gifts. Like, I wish you all a Merry Christmas today. I don't want Christmas to end already, even though it's just the beginning of Christmas. I just have ASMR and like just background noises and stuff, even though I never listen to them. Can't unbox this. Up on the smithereens, I spill my tiny symphony up and down the city. People try to put on my nighties like finishing this melody. Feels like a necessity. I got some of it. The whole point is to have a nice chill unboxing. But this is not chill. Ugh. Got it. Oh, nice clean things so far. Woo! Open it. Oh, there we go. Ball number 1. This sounds good. Alright. yesterday, it didn't even feel like Christmas Eve. I know I went to a family's house, aka my Mimi's. Today I'm going to my Grammy's, but I went to my Mimi's yesterday, and seriously, my Uncle Chris has been featured in a short, literally the one who can say random facts in like 10 seconds. He literally forgot it was Christmas Eve, and I was like, and in my head, I was like, yo, I literally felt the same yesterday before Christmas Eve, because I woke up and I was like, what's today? And I was like, oh, today's the day before, or yeah, before Christmas Eve. And I was like, oh my God, I totally forgot. So, but. This is supposed to be a chill video, unboxing, a mini brand. Seriously turned into a war. Trying to unbox half these things. This is super frustrating. Okay, nice chill. Alright, there you go. Now we just have this little clear layer really quick. So much trash. Stuffing it to the side. Pictures on the phone. There's the box. Now the ball is all here. Alright, let's take the top off. Alright, top is off. Okay, see? And alright, first we're gonna do this one. Mentos. I know it's not the golden one, but I still love it. No, not Mentos, Pez. I sometimes get them mixed up. Don't worry, I'm only 11. I'm not old. I just forget. But I got Pez. Oh my God. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, yeah, put them right next to the camera, or I can put them right here. Yeah, it's on my little ledge. Pez. These will go in like my LOL home or something. And we're gonna do this one. I'm trying to find like the checklist piece, but it's fine if I don't find it like right now. Oh, this one's stubborn. Ooh. Oh, got it. Yes, I found the checklist. And I was just talking about that. There's gold. Oh my God! Remember when I literally got them mixed up? I got Mentos this time. Got white Mentos. Oh, that sounded really rude. Okay, sorry. Let's look at the checklist. Oh, I thought there was 2 checklists they gave me for a minute. We got soy sauces. Ooh, candy. Well, I basically got candy. I got Pez. I don't see the gold. Is there no gold? Oh, there is gold. So the Pez that we got and the Mentos that we got are both golden ones. There's 2 Pez though. The one with the hard eyes, which we got in a regular color, is a gold. So like, see, these are the golds that we can get. I always think that's an airplane. I thought that was an airplane. I really want to get the Pez with the hard eyes or the soy sauce. I know that's weird, but I kind of really like soy sauce on, well, not everyone likes soy sauce on their sushi, but when I have sushi, I need my soy sauce. Oh, real bacon sprinkles. We get a bag of mini bacons. I couldn't think of the word. I was about to say bagels. Bagels. No. Ooh, I got a shell. Okay. We gotta build. Is that all of them? No, one more. One more. I was about to say this one didn't have a peely. I got candy. It's Mentos. Is that a candy actually? Pretty sure I saw that. Yeah. In candy, there's Mentos. These Mentos and a blue Mentos. Love that. Did I miss any? No? Oh, it's a mini more sticker. I'll see you guys in part 2 for the second mini ramble. Bye. Love you.